Hi everyone, Umar here. Today I'm gonna show you a sourcing trick on Alibaba that can save your time, money and help you to find real manufacturers instead of the middleman. Most sellers make one simple mistake and it costs them higher prices and less control over their products. So let's fix this. Here is the problem. Most sellers go straight to the products tab on Alibaba. It looks fine at first, but here is a catch. You are often dealing with traders or middlemen, not real factories. When you search this way, you will see hundreds of listings, flashy images, different brand names, and multiple sellers selling the exact same products. So that's because these are resellers. They buy from the factories and sell you to with a markup. Instead, here is a smarter way. Use the manufacturers tab. Now notice the difference. These are actual factories. They often don't have flashy product images, but they have a real production capabilities. When you go through manufacturers directly, you get better pricing because there is no middleman, more customization options because you are dealing with the factory, stronger partnership that can grow your business. So here is a quick example. Let's click into one of these manufacturers. Check how long they have been active, their certifications, and if they have trade assurance. These are signs that you are dealing with a real factory, not a trader. So stop wasting time with the products tab. Always search under manufacturers. That's where the real factories are, and that's how you win a sourcing. Now you know the smarter way to source on Alibaba. I'm Omar, making e-commerce easier for sellers like you. See you until next time.